A very good afternoon to you all students. So today we have learned the whole lesson of EVS. Yesterday we have learned the first part and today we have done with the second part. So today we have completed with a whole lesson. So which lesson we were learning? We were learning the lesson people who help us. Means the people who are staying in a community, they are our helpers. Now who are our helpers that we will learn in this lesson? A weaver. A weaver weaves cotton into cloth. He weaves cloth of different kinds. So who is this person now? This person is a weaver. Now what he do? He makes cloth out of cotton. Now you all know cotton, it is of white color, soft and smooth. Yes. So the weaver makes a cloth for us out of cotton. Potter. A potter makes earthen pots and vessels from wet mud and clay. He makes them on a potter's wheel. Now who is this person? He is a potter. Now what does the potter do? The potter makes pots and vessels for us using mud and clay. He is having one wheel. On that wheel he makes pots for us. He makes the pot out of wet mud and clay. After that, when he complete making the pot, he keep them for drying in the sun. And when they are dried up, he paints them very beautifully. And we can use the pots. A carpenter makes useful things from wood. Now who is the carpenter? Carpenter is the person who makes the useful things using wood. What is wood? Wood matlab lakdi. So carpenter, he makes a table, chair, cupboard, sofa, bed, door and many more things out of wood which are very useful for us. Now who is he? A blacksmith. Now who is blacksmith? A blacksmith is a person who makes things of iron. See how he is making different weapons. Weapons means the important things which are used for cutting a table, tree or whatever things which are very useful. See, he have made different types of weapons here. We can see here. So with the help of this we can cut wood or any other steel things. So a blacksmith makes things of iron. Now this is a tailor. A tailor stitches clothes. Now the weaver, he is making cloth for us. Cloth मतलब वो कपड़ा, बड़ा कपड़ा होता है ना, कलरफुल. तो वो कपड़ा कौन बनाता है हमारे लिए? वीवर. द वीवर मेक क्लॉथ्स फॉर अस. बट हु स्टिचेस द क्लोथ? क्लोथ कौन स्टिच करता है? वो क्लोथ का जो कपड़ा होता है उसका शर्ट, पैंट, वो सब कौन बनाता है? हु स्टिचेस द क्लोथ्स फॉर अस? द टेलर स्टिचेस द क्लोथ्स फॉर अस. First the tailor takes a measurement and after that he stitches beautiful clothes for us. Washerman. A washerman washes clothes. Now who is this? He is a washerman. What work does the washerman do? The washerman washes our clothes and after washing the clothes he keep our clothes for drying and he iron our cloth and give it back to us in a very neat and clean order. He cleans our cloth and he gives us the clean clothes. So what he do? He washes our clothes. Next, basket maker. A basket maker weaves basket from cane or strips of bamboo. Now the basket maker, what she is doing? She is making beautiful basket using the strips of bamboo. Now you all know bamboo, lakdi. Yes, from that bamboo they cut small strips and they make beautiful baskets for us. Teacher. Now what does the teacher do? The teacher teaches the children. Now I am your teacher. I teach you EVS and English. Same way you all are having different teachers who teach you all different types of subjects. Your teacher also teach you good values and good qualities. So here the teacher is teaching numbers. So what do the teacher do? The teacher teaches us. Goldsmith. A goldsmith makes beautiful jewelry from gold. So what is the work of goldsmith? The goldsmith makes beautiful jewelry which our mother wear. Necklace, earrings, ring and many more things which are made up of gold. So who makes gold things? The goldsmith makes gold jewelries. Cobbler. Now what work does the cobbler do? The cobbler makes shoes for us and also he mends our shoes. Mends means when our shoes is torn or something comes out of our shoes. So who repairs our shoes? The cobbler repairs our shoes and also the cobbler makes shoes out of leather. Doctors and nurses look after the patients in the primary health centers. So who can we see in the picture? We can see the doctor, nurse and the patient. What does the doctor do? The doctor looks after the patient. When we are not feeling well, that time the doctor gives us medicines and also he gives us injection. Where we can see the doctors? We can see the doctors in the hospital. Now farmer. A farmer grows fruits, vegetables, cereals like rice, wheat and jawar for us. Now what does the farmer do? The farmer works in the field. The farmer grows different types of crops like fruits, many types of fruits, many types of green vegetables and also he grows rice, wheat and jawar in his field. And when he plants the crop, after that he looks after them, he waters them, he takes care of them very carefully. Postman. A postman brings letters and greetings for us. So now what work the postman do? The postman he brings letters and parcels for us. See how this postman is bringing letters, and yesterday you all told me that the postman also bring parcels for us. Now who is this? It is a barber. Now who gives you the haircut? The barber, of course. The barber gives us a haircut. See how this barber is cutting the hair of the boys. So who gives you haircut? The barber. Now who can we see in the picture? We can see a bus driver and a bus conductor. Many times we travel by bus. Each bus has a driver and a conductor. The driver drives the bus. The conductor gives us the tickets and collect money from us. So now who drives the bus? There is a bus driver who drives the bus. And there is also one person in the bus. He is called as bus conductor. So what work does the bus conductor do? The bus conductor he gives us the ticket and we give the money to the bus conductor for the ticket. Now we can see fire here and fireman here. So what work does the fireman do? When there is a fire anywhere in the house or in the factory, that time who comes to save the people and who comes to put out the fire? The fireman comes to put out the fire and he also saves the people. See here in the picture how the fireman is putting water on the fire and he is also saving the picture. So the fireman helps to put out fires and he also saves people. Now we can see here two policemen. One is the traffic policeman and the other is the policeman. So what work does the traffic policeman do? The traffic policeman he controls the traffic. When we are traveling on the road, at that time if we can see the traffic, so who clears the traffic? The traffic policeman clears the traffic. And if we have parked a vehicle in the not parking area, means where parking is not allowed, at that time the traffic police he collects fine from us. And in the next picture there is one policeman wearing brown color shirt. So what work this policeman do? This policeman he catches the thieves who do robbery in the shops or in the house. He catches that thieves and he put that thieves in the jail. We buy vegetables and fruit from the vegetable and fruit sellers. So who is there in the picture? He is a vegetable seller. Now what work does the vegetable seller do? The vegetable seller sells his vegetables and fruits. What he is selling? Green vegetables, and also he is selling healthy fruits. So this is a vegetable seller. So students, today we have learned about the different types of people who are our helpers. They stay in a community, means they stay in a area, and in some or the other way they all help us by doing lots of things for us. So we should always be thankful to them. So students, when you all become big, you also have to become some good people, which we have learned in this lesson. There are so many good people. So from these good people you have to do a choice, and you also have to be some community helper when you will become big. So tomorrow we will meet on the next online session with the new lesson. Till that time, take care of yourself and be safe at home. Thank you.